Hello everyone, in order to help you to know more about the interesting functions of our headrest DVD, I will show you the connection of your phone to the monitor. And you can share the same pictures, movies and music on the big screen. And all you need is just one HDMI to iPhone cable, lightning plug, USB plug and the HDMI plug. First, and attention, the cable is not included in our package, but you can buy one at Amazon shop, and it's not very expensive. Firstly, let's insert the USB plug, and then the HDMI plug. Lastly, the lightning plug. And the lightning plug can also be used for charging. Turn on HDMI and make sure your Wi-Fi and hotspot is both at on state. Now you can turn on the AirPlay mirroring. Now you can mirror your phone now. And you can see the same picture now. And I'll test it by showing you some photos and movies. Now let's see some pictures. Beautiful. And now the movies. And you can adjust the volume on the phone. You can see very clear 10 and 18p video resolution. And the player is our new arrival DD10 series. And it's the OLED touchscreen player that supports both AV and HDMI function. If you do like this player and want to buy one, just search for DD Auto at Amazon shop. Thank you for watching.